Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Google AdSense account, full guide step by step. To authenticate your Google AdSense account, start by visiting the official Google AdSense website. Log in using your Google account credentials associated with your AdSense application. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the verification option in the settings menu. Click on Verify Identity to begin the authentication process. You will be presented with several verification methods. Choose the option that is most convenient for you, such as phone verification or identity verification through documents. If you select phone verification, enter your phone number and click Send Code. Check your phone for a verification code sent via SMS. Enter the code in the designated field and click Verify. For document verification, prepare the required identity documents, such as a government-issued ID or passport. Upload the documents as instructed on the screen. Make sure the documents are clear and legible to avoid delays. After uploading, wait for Google to review your submitted documents. This process can take a few days, so be patient. Once your identity is verified, you will receive a confirmation email. Log back into your AdSense account to ensure everything is in order. Check if your account status reflects the successful authentication. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to the Help Center for troubleshooting tips. Stay updated with any notifications in your AdSense dashboard. Finally, ensure your account remains secure by regularly updating your security settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.